a simple guide to creating your personal financial plan. Are you tired of feeling overwhelmed when it comes to managing your money? Imagine having a clear roadmap that helps you achieve your financial goals without the stress. In this video, I'll walk you through a simple yet powerful guide to creating your personal financial plan. By the end, you'll have a clear path to take control of your money and build the future you want. Let's dive in. Step 1. Set clear financial goals. The foundation of any solid financial plan starts with defining your goals. Without clear goals, it's easy to drift through life without building real wealth. Short-term goals, 1 to 3 years. Saving for an emergency fund, paying off credit card debt, planning a vacation. Mid-term goals, 3 to 5 years. Buying a car, saving for a down payment on a house. Long-term goals, 5+ years. Retirement planning, investing for financial freedom. Pro tip: be specific. Instead of saying, "I want to save money," say, "I want to save $10,000 in 12 months." This makes your goals actionable and achievable. Step 2. Calculate your net worth. Knowing where you stand financially is crucial. List your assets. This includes cash, investments, property, and valuables. List your liabilities, such as credit card debt, loans, or mortgages. Formula: net worth equals total assets minus total liabilities. Tracking this regularly will show your financial progress over time. Step 3. Create a realistic budget. A budget is your financial blueprint. It tells your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. The 50-30-20 rule: 50% of your income for needs, rent, groceries, bills, 30% for wants, entertainment, dining out, 20% for savings and debt repayment. Apps like MintYNAB or Pocket Guard can simplify this process by tracking your spending automatically. Step 4. Build an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable, and an emergency fund can be your financial safety net. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Start small. Even saving $500 can prevent you from relying on credit cards during unexpected expenses. Step 5. Manage debt strategically. Debt can be overwhelming, but with a clear strategy, you can regain control. Popular debt repayment methods: the snowball method. Pay off the smallest debt first to build momentum. The avalanche method. Pay off the highest interest debt first to minimize total interest paid. Whichever method you choose, consistency is key. Step 6. Start investing for growth. Saving is essential, but investing is what helps your money grow. Start with index funds or ETFs. These are low-cost, diversified options for beginners. Consider retirement accounts, like a 401k or IRA, to benefit from compound growth and tax advantages. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. Step 7. Protect your wealth. Unexpected events can derail your progress. That's why insurance is crucial. Health insurance protects you from major medical expenses. Life insurance provides for your loved ones if something happens to you. Home car insurance ensures your valuable assets are covered. Insurance may feel like an extra cost now, but it's vital for long-term stability. Step 8. Plan for retirement. Retirement may seem far away, but the sooner you start, the easier it becomes. Maximize employer contributions if they offer a 401k match. Open an IRA for additional retirement savings. Use retirement calculators to estimate how much you'll need for your desired lifestyle. Step 9. Build multiple income streams. Relying on one income source is risky. Diversifying your income can provide financial security. Side hustles, freelancing, consulting, or gig work passive income streams, real estate, dividends, or content creation. Invest in skills. Developing new skills can increase your earning potential. Step 10. Review and adjust your plan. Regularly, life changes, and so should your financial plan. Review your budget monthly. Assess your investments quarterly. Update your financial goals as your priorities shift. Staying flexible ensures your plan evolves with you. Final thoughts. Creating a financial plan doesn't have to be overwhelming. By following these simple steps, you can take control of your finances and build lasting wealth. Now it's your turn. Which step are you going to start with today? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more actionable financial tips.